hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Wait, am I streaming? I don't think I'm streaming. Oh, I am indeed streaming. Hold on, let me turn on the audio. Wait. Okay, let me check the audio now. Yeah, actually that sounds alright. That sounds alright. Okay. Hello guys, my name is Dejan Yusufi and I am currently on the internet and I'm streaming. So, I'm not doing anything special right now. I'm currently looking at the commentary for one of my earlier albums, Window Cube, but that is unrelated to anything. I'm currently working on my website, which is unfinished right now. I mean, you can use it right now, but it's very unfinished and very laggy and just very everything, okay? It's not good. Wait, hold on. It isn't showing the live stream on my page. What? What is going on? Am I streaming to no one? Hold on, gotta check what's happening. Yeah, it's private. Why is it private? Let me make it public, because I want everyone to see the masterpiece that I'm making. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Top to use a random image that I have laying around. Outsmarting. Nah, I'm not using the outsmarting the Popo's image. Oh, this image is nice. Alright, public live stream. Hello guys. Okay. Now I need to check. Wait, let me rename this title to coding my website. Save. Now let me go on to the Mations, the Quinn, the animations. Oh my god. Alright, I need to go to my Discord server and just ping everyone because I'm being because I like being obnoxious. I have to look at chat somehow, so I'm still wondering how I should do that. Okay, I got my phone. Let me just open the tube of the U on my telephone. You know, to entertain you guys, I'm gonna turn on some music. Yeah. Oh, wait. Anyway, small delay, but I don't really care. Although it's not like anybody's watching the stream right now, so I don't really have anything to be concerned about. Let me turn on my stream. Like, not to be watching it, obviously. I'm just doing it to look at chat. Anyway, now I'm just gonna keep on coding, which that's nice and dandy and all. I'm currently figuring out how to use JavaScript on my website, because funny enough, my entire website is made out of HTML and CSS code, because obviously it is. So yeah, hold on, let me... whatever. Let me. Alright. So gonna make a new file. I'm gonna call it I don't know, code.js. I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna call it main.js because I love the word main. Beatoy, hello Beatoy, my fellow good acquaintance and friend. How to link JS file in HTML in VS Code. What is the in VS Code thing? Yeah. Script source, script.js, Thank you, I appreciate it. Where do I put this now? I think I should put this in the head. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Also, I guess there's music playing in the background, but it's not that loud. You can only barely hear it, at least for me, because I'm listening it through my phone speaker. And now let's look at the website. Actually, yeah, it doesn't do anything. I mean, I forgot. But yeah, this is how my website looks like as of now. There's the music page. I removed the covers, but it's no big because you can still look at them through these little links here. Why did I remove them? Because originally when you zoomed in with like control scroll wheel, it would like ruin up the image and stuff, and that's because of my horrible code. Also, I fixed this thing in the website as it is now, like the public version of the website. The email is completely incorrect. That is not a real email. But now it actually includes my email. Also, I include some links to my channels, which, you know, I'm still working on this page. So let me open contact.html. Let me make a new div right here. Div and then /div. And include a button. I'm gonna get this div a class. I'm just gonna call this what is it called? Expand class, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what this button should say. What should it say? Show more. Yeah, I guess that's good enough. Let me reset this. See, now it says show more. Oh my god, I am a genius. Alright. Now, how do I do this? How to run JS script when button pressed in HTML. I know these questions are genius. I'm such a genius programmer. You guys don't have to praise me. Whatever. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, button on click my function. Oh. Wait a second, guys. I have to mute myself real quick. I'll have to be off for like a short while right now, but I'll be right back. I'm still looking at chat, by the way. I'm back, guys. So apparently it connects to a function, which... Alright. So let me make a function. Let me call it... expand func. Fuck, this now reminds me I have never written a function in JS. How to declare function in JS. I know I'm an idiot. Now this seems really obvious. Why am I so stupid? Function expand. Now I need to put brackets here, obviously, because you know this JavaScript you need to put brackets for everything. No, I don't know what this absolute headset. No, Lucky. Yep, Lucky messaged me. Hello, Lucky. What is up, my good friend and acquaintance? Wait, am I... Okay, my microphone is on. GG. I'm not gonna be calling yet because I'm streaming. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh wait, Beto and Lucky are already in a call. I don't need to worry about anything. Alright. I guess he's entertaining himself then. Alright. I don't know. Return jingle jongle. It won't return anything at the moment. But I hop on Gmod. I'm not hopping on Gmod. I'm coding, okay? Also, I've been only streaming for how long? 10 minutes. Yeah. Gonna stop streaming when the stream is around an hour old, cause yeah. Now what do I do? So I guess I'm gonna make like a little I'm gonna make a new div here. This is permanent, by the way. I'm gonna call this fuck, what do I call this? Jogni. Oh, what am I doing? Fuck. I'm stupid. I just noticed. Text that changes. I know, very creative. You don't have to give me applause. This is me if you didn't press the button. Okay. Now, how to change text in JS, HTML. I'm a genius. I'm just so good with these questions. Like everyone is everyoneing, you know. Alright, I'm just taking this script from the internet because I'm stupid. Alright, get element by ID. The ID here is text that changes. Yeah, now I remember. Text that changes. Actually, I'm gonna copy it just to be like 1,000,000% sure. So yeah, turns out I was correct. Now, this is me after you clicked the button, because I like to be funny, you know? Alright, I know what bullshit I'm expecting. Yep, it doesn't even work. Oh, because I didn't make it, yeah, here, button. On click, I think. On click. Wait, also, let me go to index.html. Let me take the script. Let me go to context and insert this into the head. Now, on click, it should run the function expand. Yeah. Expand. How to run function in JS when button pressed HTML. These questions. I'm asking too many questions. Okay, never mind. I had the function thing correct. Okay, then I didn't even have to do that. All right, let's see if this works. It doesn't work. I mean, I don't even know what I expect, but still. Wait, did I even call it expand? Yeah, I call it expand. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Oh, hey, Lilo. Maybe I just don't need to put this in a div at all. Let me just give the P a P. Text that changes. Alright. Wait, hold on. Let me see if main.js too. So what does this M mean? No, I'm not questioning that. Maybe I just need to reopen this, I guess. I don't know, man. Oh, I'm an idiot. I called the script.js and not main.js. Okay, let me do the same here too, because I'm an idiot, okay? I'm a copy idiot. Okay, no more references. Open an integrated browser. Still doesn't work. Did I even save this? Yeah, main.js. What is this called? It's called main.js. Wait. To link HTML page to JavaScript file. Wait, what did Lucky said? What did Lucky send? What is this link? I mean, you guys can't be seeing the video because I'm only. Oh, it's the Amazing Digital Circus. What is this? What is this? She has a gun. Oh, it's a humanization gun. Okay, you fucking gooner. Alright. I don't understand. Why isn't this working? Maybe I didn't link it correctly. Oh. I think I know the problem. I think I might know the problem. Also, I don't care DaVinci Resolve. Stop opening yourself. I had to move the script thing to the body class. Or the body class, the body. Yeah. The music right now is really bad because it's a bad song. But I listened to it so much that I'm starting to like it's growing on. Alright, never mind. This is still not correct. Yeah, we need to do like what is it called? Fuck, I forgot what it was called. It was like / main.js. So let's try that. Open an integrated browser. How to change text in JS HTML. I'm not actually being so stupid. I already asked this question before. Oh, I feel like I'm an idiot. Never mind. I'm not an idiot. What's document get element by ID? That's ID. This was. HTML element. So I guess it has to be P. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. I'm actually clueless right now. I'm just gonna play around. Yep, that was definitely not it. I go into contact.html again. Yeah, I don't understand. Why doesn't this work? Maybe I'm just stupid. Wait, maybe it doesn't have anything to say. Let me check. Expand class. Yeah, it runs expand. how to whatever. Alright. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, bro. I'm just gonna copy whatever I see on the internet. At least for now. Fuck does that mean? No, that's not what I want to do. Nah. Okay, I'm gonna try the script tag. Which I don't know, I don't even think it's gonna work, but let's see. Let me delete the JS file for now. Yeah, I want to delete it, move to recycle bin. Alright, oh, that doesn't look right. Oh hey, 3 viewers, that's more than I expected. Fuck, I shouldn't have deleted that main.js file. Hold on, let me look at my what is it called? Trash bin. Can't even look at your trash bin through the file explorer. I have to like open it. You Mr. Monkey Toes. Mr. Monkey Toes. Main.js. Restore. I'm coming back, baby. Yeah, I just brought this file back just for me to leave it in. Wait. Maybe that was the problem this whole time. Contact.html. No, I have to use a so-called span. Oh, I need to give it an ID. I gave it a class. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why I wasn't working this whole time. Alright, where's the P now? Here. So if class, I need to give it an ID. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. This is me if you didn't press the button. Is this gonna work? No. Yeah. No, I didn't even have to do this with like a bunch of fancy JavaScript. I can literally do this with like a separate page. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a separate page because I am very lazy. So yeah, new file. I call this more links.html. Let me add my head. Where's links.html? Body slash body slash html. P this is test text. What is this CSS? It's called all. Okay. Body class all. Alright. Yeah, see, this is gone now. But when we get back to the contact thing, I actually need to re-add that button. What did I want to do? Oh yeah. Button. Oh yeah, no, that's another end. Wait, doesn't have to be in an A? And then button. And now I can add an href attribute and give it to links.html. It's not gonna work, I presume. Never mind. But now, if you see, there's no back button here, so I have to go to my other things and just paste this into here. Because you could say that's bad coding to just copy your old code, but you know it's reusable. So look, you can go back now, but it goes back to the main page, which is not what I want. Instead, wait. Oh, what's up? Hello, Variocious. Instead of image, yeah, no. Instead of going to index.html, it goes to contact.html. So now it goes back here, and then you can go back here. And yeah, now I have to like purge through my entire internet history, put all my links in here. But you know, that's fun. So let's do that. Div. I'm just gonna put this in a div because it's a bit more organized, I guess. So A, BR. Now I need to find a whole lot of all my socials that I can get my hands on. So to say, I'm gonna go to some more major sites I'm on. So let me my Reddit profile. Also, yeah, I surprisingly use Reddit semi-regularly, but you know, don't bully me. It's just it's a good place if you know where you're going, or it isn't when you don't know where you're going. I'm just gonna add a whole lot of these and delete them after a while when I find out. My Newgrounds. My main Newgrounds profile. Href. Now let me go to my search for my. I got 2 messages on. Wow, so many people are following me on on Newgrounds, I have 37 fans, which is a lot in terms of Newgrounds. My older Newgrounds profile. Niche website nowadays. Yeah, I know, but I mean, it didn't really lose popularity. I guess it just stayed the same. It never got more popular, but it never died out. I think that's a good way to say that. Anyway, I need to search for my older accounts, which one of them is Quibi. Yeah. Quibi. Yeah. Let me search for users. Haha, I said niche. Hi, man. Oh, it's called Quibi-Yesh. Yep, this was what I'm not showing my stream right now, which I should probably do. So just so you guys know what I'm doing. Let me get a second window capture. I'm gonna make it so that it streams my Brave screen. I can let me rename this to Brave. Let me rename this to just code. So alright. Here's my browser. This is I think I don't know when I made this. I made this in late 2023. And I released like 10 audios on here. Let's list all of them. First one is called goodnight.txt. So bad. I think listing these made me kind of realize how well I've improved in making music. Like imagine if I started releasing albums earlier and you would have to hear this shit on an album. We got Weep Whoop. A little silly. These drums are kind of well sequenced, you know. A holy instrumentalism. Harpsichord party. Wiping the window. Abid. A sleepy start. I think this is a remake of an old song that I made. Like a very, very old song. Even though the songs are really old, but whatever. Annie Quibi. These songs are so bad. Change in pitch. A chippy tune. I can't stop listening to it. I can't keep on listening to this. Let me look at my movies. Actually, my movies are very bad. I'm not even gonna bother watching them. But wait, I made this in late 2023, but I remember having another one being called Quibi something. Yeah, Quibi the Silly. I made this in early 2024, so I guess I'll put this one in here. And hold on. I literally finished it. But I'm not showing it to you guys because I hate you guys or something, I don't know. So I don't want to show a lot of the songs because I have a tendency show a lot of songs that are on my albums before they're done. So, sorry, not sorry. Let me get my. Oh wait, I'm not showing my screen because I have to like change my screen the whole time. My even older Newgrounds profile. Now I have to do a last one, which I think it was called Daylight 1S here. Yep. My oldest Newgrounds profile. Wait, when did I make this profile? Hold on, let me open Newgrounds again. Wait, I could just paste in the link that I literally just copied. Yeah, I made this account in late 2022. So this is like actually one of my like oldest internet accounts that still exists to this day. So that's a fun thing. And moving on, I would show my Godot profile, but I don't know, it doesn't exist anymore. So it does exist, but like I'm not logging to it right now. Hold on, let me go onto. Let me show my browser screen again. Let me go on to. Let me go on to NeoCities, neocities.org. Let me go to an older version of my site. Wow, there's no. Let me go into an old version of. That is not an old version of my site. That is not an old version of my site. That is not an old version of my site. Let me look at these sites people are making on NeoCities. I can't tell a single thing going on here, and I'm scared that it's saying something bad. Yep, NSFW. I'm not opening that. I'm not opening that. Whatever. I have way more pages that are yet to be put here. Is that furry corn? I don't know, man. Whatever. Div class links page. Let me go onto it. I know this code is bad, okay? Links. I think that's what it's called, right? Links page. Links page A. Now I need to make it font size. Ooh, my phone is about to kill itself. How long have I been streaming for? 40 minutes. I think I'm gonna stop streaming pretty soon. Also, it's font size. So I'm gonna make 30 for the blind people. So yeah, let me open my website. I don't think it's working. So why is this like on the side? I don't like that. Oh wait, let me. Wait, does A even have? Does A even have a font size? Font size. Oh, I just make font size a string. No, I don't. What's happening? So I don't need to make. Don't understand what's going on. Maybe I make this like, I don't know, 80. Nope, it's not working. Style sheet is correct. Do you play Project Moon games? No, I don't. I don't even know what Project Moon is. Sorry. Font size 60. Turns out, wait. How to change font size of A. Of A. Of A HTML. Oh my gosh. I'm tired. Silly boy out. Good night. Alright, now it works. I think next time I stream, I think I'm gonna work on the animations page, which I have never even started making. Like since the beginning, since I started making this website, I have had already made like a music page and like a contact me page, but I have never made an animations page. So yeah. Good night, people. Good morning and good afternoon.